Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Waller's Wallet, and today we're going to take a look at how credit card offers like American Express offers, Chase offers, and even some debit card offers are making the decision on when to use the right card just a little bit murky. Now, if you want a simple way to help out the channel, consider giving the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn that bell notification on as well so you don't miss out on future videos. Now, I've made a few videos in the past about how to use the right card and why it's important we use the right card to make sure we're getting the most rewards on our purchases. But now, just looking at earning rates may not always give you the highest return for your points, rewards, or even cash back. And what I mean here is we're always looking to be earning 3, 4, 5x or even more everywhere we can, because that is how we rack up a lot of points outside of those sign-up bonuses. And we see an earning rate of something like 5x. We go, hey, that's a great card, and I'm going to use that card for this purchase. But beyond the earning rates we get from our credit cards, we have American Express offers, Chase offers, Bank of America offers, Cash Card offers, SoFi, Venmo, and a lot of other cards with boosters or offers to earn you extra rewards or even save you more money. And these are adding another level of complexity to the reward earning process. And if you didn't know about these offers or didn't pay attention to them, you could have a couple of cards in your wallet, and one card while you're out shopping might earn 4 points per dollar at a retailer. Then you'd use that card and you'd earn your points. But there could be an offer on one of your cards that could earn you more points or save you more money and you didn't even know about it. Because with all of these different offers, you might have a lower base level of points, let's say 1 or 2x on a given purchase. But you can earn more points from these offers or even stack these offers for more cash back. And you know, a good example of this is actually this microphone right here. I recently bought this new microphone for my YouTube live streams, my podcast, and it's now my main microphone for my YouTube videos. And my Bank of America cash reward card, it earns me 5.25% for my online purchases. And at face value, you would think that's the winner and the card I would use for this purchase. Until I checked my American Express business card, where I had an American Express offer to Dell, where I would earn an extra 6x membership reward points, plus get a 10% statement credit back at Dell. That doesn't even include using a portal yet. And if I didn't check this, I would have lost a lot of rewards and actually spent more money on this purchase. And I know some of these American Express offers aren't that lucrative, but they can still be a good option for you when you account for those extra savings. And American Express offers just offer so many great opportunities to earn extra points or save even more money. And while Chase or Bank of America offers aren't as lucrative as American Express offers, they do offer a way to be rewarded more for your purchases to where that can change the decision on which card you should be using, which would be the best card for a given purchase. And I can't tell you how many times I've been told by someone they've missed out on extra rewards or cash back because they didn't remember they had an offer on their card or checked to see if there was an offer on their account. And that is where the Max Reward app really comes in handy to make sure you know all about these offers and when to use them. And the Max Reward app is a free app, and not only will it show you all of your credit scores from the banks you're logged into, but they also have a feature called card deals where they will automatically load your American Express, Chase, Bank of America offers, and even some other offers from other banks. And they can even load the same American Express offer onto multiple cards. And when you're in a store and you look at the app, it will tell you if you have an offer for that store. In this way, you can make sure you're using the right card to maximize your earnings. And Max Rewards usually charges 20% of the savings that you earn with card deals. But if you use the promo code WALLER, you're going to get a $50 credit for card deals. And you can find a link in the description below to Max Rewards, and a big thank you to Max Rewards for sponsoring this video. Then we even have debit cards getting in on this. And debit cards usually, I tell you, aren't worth your time. But there are a few that could actually be useful for people. First off, Cash Card. Now, I was actually late to the game on this card, but the offers on this card are legit and pretty solid. And the Cash Card has a lot of good offers. Some of the offers are a one-time use, but they look to come back every few days or a week or so. And others you're eligible to use almost every hour. For example, you can use the cash boost to get 10% off your grocery purchases up to $7.50 in rewards, which is a $75 spend. So you can buy a gift card for basically 10% off, or you could just buy groceries. And I know some people might groan at this and hulk out because they have an American Express Gold card, but you would need to value your membership reward points at 2.5 cents per point in order to get a 10% return on that $75 spend. And for me, as an economy flyer, that's just not what I value membership reward points at. You might if you're a business class flyer, but it's really hard to get 2.5 cents per point in the economy class. And while I really love my credit card rewards, 10% off is a pretty solid offering, and I would gladly take that every day of the week. Or options like Amazon, where you can get 10% off up to $7.50 in rewards. So buy an Amazon gift card, get your 10% off, wait for an American Express Amazon promotion, get an additional 20% off. So now we're talking about some serious savings. And while the promotions from Card Cash might not always be ongoing and they can change, they're still worth looking at because they do provide quite a bit of value. Then SoFi was recently offering 20% cash back on DoorDash, Hulu, Netflix, Disney Plus, and other streaming services. And that was a great offer, and I really hope to see them continue these offers in the future as well. Especially with the fact they're rumored to be coming out with a credit card, I'd love to see SoFi offers on that card as well. And even if you're someone with the Chase Inc. cash and you were earning 5x for those streaming services, you would need to value your ultimate reward points at over 4 cents per point before it became a better option than using SoFi here. But if you weren't paying attention, you could be using a card offering the best upfront earning rate and not know about these deals that were offering rewards on the back end. And that can really change which is the best card to use in a given situation. And even these debit cards that are offering 0% for rewards on their actual purchases, these offers can still out-earn your credit card rewards, which is pretty crazy. Now, you should know I'm big on making sure we are maximizing reward earnings for our purchases. But with all these different types of offers, it can be a little harder for people to remember which card could be the most rewarding card they're using. I mean, I even forget sometimes because I'm human and there are just so many different offers out there now. And since there are so many different offers, the card with the highest upfront earning rate may not actually be the best card to use for a purchase. And what's great is we're seeing more of these types of offers and even from some debit cards. And the more companies that add these types of offers is better for us as consumers because when companies compete for us, we win. So it is really important to check your offers and make sure you aren't missing out on rewards or extra cash back because some of these offers are really, really good offers and can be a great way to earn even more rewards. Or you can use an app like Max Rewards and they'll make the process easier for you. So tell me, how do you use these offers to earn even more rewards? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in this video. Be sure to check out the link to Max Rewards down in the description below. If you're looking for another way to support the channel, be sure to check the other links in the description. And if you know somebody that could benefit from this video, feel free to share it with them. And until next time, safe travels and take care.